Circle the equation in slope-intercept form for the line containing the points 1, 4 and 5, -4. Remember, slope-intercept form is y equal mx plus b. We can't get the y-intercept from these 2 points, but we can get the slope. So let's go through and get the slope. We know that the slope is going to be the difference of the y's over the difference of the x's. So draw a fraction bar with 2 minuses on top and bottom. Put the y's on top, which are 4 and -4. Put the x's on bottom, which are 1 and 5. Use your calculator here if you're weak with your arithmetic. 4 minus a -4 would be 8. 1 minus 5 would be -4. And 8 divided by 4 would be -2. That means our m, we need to have a -2x. That eliminates this one, and it eliminates this one, doesn't it? Okay, so we know it has to be either this one or this one. Now then, if we input 1, we will output 4. If we input 5, we will output -4. So let's try to input 1 into this one. If you input 1 right here, -2 times 1 minus 6 would be a -8. That's not equal to 4, is it? So this one is wrong. This one needs to input 1, output 4, input 5, output -4. So let's input a 1. -2 times 1 plus 6. -2 plus 6 is equal to 4. That checks. And if we input 5, we'll get -4. -2 times 5 plus 6. 2 times 5 is 10. -10 plus 6 is equal to a -4. That checks. So this equation right here is going to be that in slope-intercept form. A linear equation will satisfy all points on its linear graph. One way to get the answer is to substitute, which is what we did right here. The coordinates of 1, 4, and 5, -4 into the x and y's of the equation. The correct answer will satisfy both coordinate values.